Congrats, ladies. On today's segment, I'll show you how to make two different types of maternity pants, so keep watching. To create the inset pockets, we'll begin by cutting out the entire pocket. Using a 3-inch width elastic, place the pocket along the edge of the elastic, fold, and cut. This will give you a piece of elastic that is 2 times bigger than that of the pocket. Now, use the elastic as a pattern to cut the knit. Place the elastic and knit together and insert the pieces with the knit facing the back of the pants. Align the top edge along the jeans waistline and pin around the pockets. Now, pinning may be a little challenging because of the bulk, so it's best to use sturdier pins, such as quilting pins. You can either hand sew or machine stitch to secure the pieces in place. The second type of maternity pants replaces the waistband with a knit fabric. Cut out the waistband, begin cutting from the front, then continue to the back. I wanted to emphasize that it's important to cut around the pants as I'm demonstrating and not right through it, because if you do, you may end up getting a lopsided waistline. To find the center back of the waistband, which is located in the area of the label tag, fold the waistband, clip in the center, then cut straight through. Using your knit fabric, take the measurement of the waistband plus 4 inches. The length can be anywhere between 18 to 25 inches. This depends on the length of your torso and your preference. The knit will fold over, so the excess fabric is there for that reason. Fold the fabric where the wrong side is facing up. Fold and place the cut waistband about 2 inches away from the bottom edge. Using a ruler, mark off 1 inch from the edge of the cut waistband. Now extend 1 inch from the edge of the center back. Extend the line upwards anywhere between 15 to 18 inches. Mark the folded center front, add your 1/2 inch seam allowance, and cut away the excess. Pin the center back right sides together and either hand stitch or machine stitch on the seam allowance. Take the waistband and match the center back seams right sides together. Pin around the waistband and either hand sew or machine stitch. Thank you again for watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and watch some of my other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.